Are you guys ready for this? Well, ready or not, here it comes because I'm super excited for this. We've got the Disney Doorables Academy Campus Crew Pack, and I love the notebook background. There are 45 to collect, and we've got the clubs category, the athletics, the student body, the faculty, and the pep rally. And we all know I need my girl Panda May. Let's not waste any more time and let's see who we get in our first campus crew pack. And I must have them all. Thank you, Disney Doorables, for another cute set.